Good afternoon, this is Keith and welcome back to our tutorial on building out this one-page website using the Builderall Cheetah Builder. We're going to continue on with the second panel, which is the About panel, and let's start working on creating this box and then adding in these two images here, and then later on we'll add all these text elements and text emojis that we see here. So the first thing here is adding in this box element, and let's get the sizes. So the width is 1138 by 490. Scroll down here, let's select the box. Background settings, property, let's set to transparent. We just grab and scroll this bar all the way over to the left. It makes it transparent. Let's scroll down. Okay. Now let's go over here to the finish site. We're going to add in our these two images. Let's go over here. Let's open this. We're going to add an element, and it's going to be the image element. Here we go. Select the horizontal one, just click on it. General settings, property of the image element. Let's select change image. I'm going to select my directory that we created. Select file. And then scroll down here. It's this one. Let's add in the next image element. So what we could do is we can clone this element. Let's click on clone. Grab this down here. Let's change the image. It was this one. go back over here. Let's check the sizes of these images. So we go to the sizes property, and the width is set at 470. Sorry for that message. Let's do the same thing for this image. Edit elements, sizes, 470. There we go. Okay, now we got the two images. Now let's adjust the rounded corners on which is the border radius, and let's put this in the proper area. Let's go back over here. Let's select one image and select edit element, and let's scroll here. Let's close this out, and we're looking for the border radius, and it's set to 10 all around. Okay, and let's go back here. As you can see, it's changing the radius of all these. Let's go back over here. Okay, let's do the same thing for this image here. Border radius of 10. Okay, that's done. Let's quickly save this. Okay, let's grab one image here, and we're gonna put it right about here. Let's see. Okay, and then this one, let's adjust it. Right about there. Okay, let's move this box up here. Okay, on the next video, we're going to go ahead and add in all these text elements, box elements, the text emojis and stuff like that. So thank you again for stopping by today. I appreciate your support. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And remember, and I'll reiterate this, this is a very important, valuable skill set to have. So if you take the time to delve into this product, and especially the Cheetah Builder, you're going to be very valuable to the marketplace, and you'll be able to build out websites for people, including funnels also. So I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks again. Have a great day.